Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Very good.
Good morning, sir. Good evening,
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, children.
Good
I think
evening,
I got a
sir.
little late today. Yes.
Good evening,
Good evening, everyone.
sir.
Right. Good evening, children. Now I will just revise the things we did just last week, and we did all about actually about taking the pieces. I have muted everyone for a while. Mute kara. And first of all, wish you all a happy Children's Day. නේද හොඳ ලෝක ළමා දිනයක් වේවා කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා හැවොටම මම හිතන්නේ අද නම් ඔයගලගේ දවසනේ හරිව ෆ්‍රී එකේ ඉන්නේ නේද right I think you might have you have enjoyed the day today there were lots of cartoons and I think there must be some programs from the school as well right so in this month actually we wish to play chess today we will learn about check අද අපි හරිම වැදගත් එකක් කරනවා check එක ගැන what my plan is actually to do check and checkmate roughly within today and next week and from the third week we can start games right we can actually start creating these live chess accounts and then we can start playing online games I also told this plan with the yesterday class then මේක තමයි අපේ plan එක අද මම check එක ගැන කියලා දෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ check එක ඉවරුනහම next week එකේ මම checkmate එක ගැන roughly කියලා දෙනවා there will be more checkmate activities later but after that we can actually start playing අපිට ඉක්මනට පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් සෙල්ලම් කරන්න එක තමයි අපි ඉතින් plan කරගන්න okay first of all we'll revise what we have done last week in a second some messages okay we will revise what we have done last week put you on the screen wait a second it's still loading this is it it's slow today right this is it this is what we have done last week it is about defending and attacking and this is about actually this is about capturing last week ek kata kara I will just revise I will unmute you for a while so that you can answer me and in the today's session also I will ask some questions you can see only a part of board for the pain I think now it's clear okay yes only the Hamza put me a message right okay this is the thing we have done last week there were two rooks right we had two rooks here one is in the b2 square which we have colored in green අපි මෙතන කොළ පාටින් දැම්ම rook කෙනෙක් යා ඉන්නවා b2 square එකේ ඊට පස්සේ තව එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා f2 square එකේ යාව red වලින් දැම්මා in this green rook's move we cannot see any of the opponent's pieces right in the green rook's move we cannot see any of the opponent's pieces but we said what is an attack api kiwa wait let me unmute you right Okay, can someone tell me, put me a raise hand, can someone tell me what is an attack? What is an attack? Mattila, you can give a try. So Mattila is someone also is always answering the questions. Mattila, what is an attack? What do you mean by attack? Isn't the antenoli? මොකද අපි මේ attack කරන්නේ?
Attack is when our bees have a.
You are going to?
There are two rooks. When the green color one.
Yes. No. Right. That's fine. The rook is going to attack. Okay, what I'm saying is, generally we say attacking something, which means you are going to cut something, right? You are going to cut something. In this one, actually you are going to capture the, if you are going to capture something, it says you are attacking, right? This rook is going to capture the knight right now. Then if you are trying to cut something, simply we can say that's an attack, right? If you know this is under a threat right now, right? And let's say if the rook, if one of the opponent's pieces, right? If one of the opponent's pieces is in a movement of your piece. අපේ chess එකේ movement එක අනිත් පැත්ත ළමයාගේ ඉත් එක්ක ඉන්නා මේකට මොකද අපි කියන්නේ? It's under an attack. This is under an attack, right? So this is an attack. This one is a one-way attack. මේක අපි lazy මේකනේ. This is a one-way attack. The rook can, if rook had the move, rook will just go and capture the knight. So there's no way that knight can save himself if rook had the chance to move. But if knight would have moved somewhere else, right? We can knight game. So we did the second one. It's a two-way capture. Take a double way. If white had the move, white will take the black queen. And if black had the move, black will take the white queen. It's a two-way capture because these two pieces are having the same move, right? These two pieces are having the same move. Ekama movement. So they are having the same move. So this is going to be a two-way capture, right? This one this is a very easy one. Keshni, can you jump over and take the rook? Can you jump and capture the rook?
No.
No. Can you capture both of these pieces? No. No. You can only take the one which is in front. It can avoid capture. So only knight. Only this knight. So these are easy. We need this. Knight. Yes. In this one, okay. This one again. Wait a second. I'm just going to go through these because these are very easy. I'm not going to waste time on this. But next one actually it will be an activity. This is kind of a good one. 1 second. This is an easy one. Right, in this picture, obviously you all know that the queen cannot jump over the bishop and take the black bishop. You know, me white bishop එකට කොහොමත්ම queen ගේ jump over කරන්න බෑනේ. Okay, this one is important. Next one. This is exchanging. It's a good concept. Exchange. But let's see what is an exchange. If it was white's chance, oh, sorry, I have erased that. It was white's chance, white will go and take the black bishop, right? But if it was black's chance, black will also come and take the white bishop. But if white did like this, white perhaps the queen will recapture it, right? Queen to pull out recapture neither. Exchange. It's going to give away a piece of, let's say, black is giving away 3 points. And he gets another 3 points. It's an equal exchange. Okay. Wait a second. If I replace this bishop with something else, if I put a queen here, okay. What if it was like this? But if it's this thing, if it was like this, is this white black queen will move and capture the bishop?
No,
Never
sir,
capture them.
that's foolish. That's foolish. She
Yes.
only gains 3, and then the other queen will catch, and she gains 9. So
Very
it's a
good.
useless
Foolish.
exchange.
Very good. It's a bad exchange. It's say. What's your name, Buddha?
Tevindu.
Tevindu. Well, Tevindu is saying, if you give away the queen here, you will lose 9 points and you will get back only 3 points. And he's saying it's a useless capture. Is he correct, children? Yeah, Harit, they are kidding. Yeah,
No,
you know.
sir.
Why? He is correct, I think. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Can you
Yes,
actually?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Can you give away 9 points? What can you give 9 and take 3? So it's bad. If you have if you have any other, if you don't have any other option, sometimes you might do a capture like this. But when you have a better move, no one will go for a capture like this. කවුරුත් මේ වගේ කැපීමක් කරන්න කැමති නෑ, losing 9 points and taking only 3 points. පමුදු ඔන්න screen control එක දාලා තිබ්බා. තාම දැන් screen control දාන්න නැහැ. Right. Let's go to the other one. This is an exchange. So remember, whenever you are about to exchange a piece, try for a favorable exchange. So it's at least an equal exchange. Okay, this is an next one we did. It was also very easy. Oh, 1 second. This is easy. The knight's movement we know. Knight can just move in an L shape and take the queen.
Knight can cut the queen.
Of course. And the next one, knight can actually capture 2 of the pieces. Then knight into the inner
Queen.
right? One is
The
bishop,
knight
one
will
is
cut
rook,
the
one is
queen.
I
okay.
can cut the
The knight will
cut
cut
the
the
rook
queen
and
Okay.
I can
because
cut
it
the
has
queen.
9.
Hirun, why
The
Hirun,
knight,
Hirun, why do you
knight-
say you cut the queen?
Knight. Because
Why do you like to cut the queen?
is had
Sir,
queen is special.
if you have more pieces attack, right? If you have more pieces attack like this, if you have more pieces attack, then අපිට පුළුවන් නම් එකකට වඩා piece වලට attack කරන්න, you can capture the more valuable piece. We know this, right? I'm just revising. Okay, and the next one is very easy. It shows the knight can jump over its own color pieces, and it can also jump over the opposite color pieces. So we'll go to an activity right now. Let's go to little activity. This is the activity. First one, I will actually do this for you, right? I will do the first one for you. I will mute everyone and do the first one for you, right? In this picture, see in this diagram, there's a bishop on E2. There's a white bishop on E2. Now with this one, actually, we are going to think how to do an attack. Like this is, we say this is going, kind of a creating an attack. You are going to create an attack. Then අපි හදන්නේ attack එකක් කොහොමද දෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. අපි හදන්නේ කොහොමද attack එකක් මේ මුලින්ම දෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. So we'll think like this. You have one bishop. Let's say you're white, right? You all are white, and you have to give an attack to one of the black pieces, right? So black has 2 pieces, and this, and you all can see this diagram is not a true board. It's just a setup, right? This is just a made-up position. This is just a made-up position. It just to practice you, right? These positions are just to practice you. Let's say this bishop has to make an attack right now. Either you have to attack the knight or you have to attack the rook. Okay. Can you attack this knight straight like this? Can you attack this knight straight like this? Yes or no? Asini, what do you think? Can you do this or cannot? If can, just put it like this. If you cannot, just you can do it like this. Asini, what do you think? Can you capture the knight? No, I did mute. Right, I'm getting answers. Wait a second. Everyone is saying no. Of course, the bishop can't go like this. There's no capture like this. So the bishop cannot go like this, right? The bishop cannot go. So, okay. And I'm going to give you a little difficult question. But Amar would have come. Can someone tell me, is this bishop, will this bishop be able to attack the rook? Will this bishop be able to attack the rook?
No. No, sir.
No, sir.
The bishop is on the right and the rook is on the right.
Right.
Very good, very good. Very good. And mom poddak
This
eka.
one black.
Yes. I have actually asked that question.
And then black.
Yes. No, I have actually asked that question just to trick you. I actually wanted to see whether you think bit, logically. The make it come out. So it's a kind of, even if you think this is not that hard, right? Now the rook is in a dark color. See, the rook is in a dark color square, right? It's in a black square, and the white is in a bishop is in a white square. So the white bishop only moves along the white diagonals. Now we know this, right? White bishop ඉන්නේ එයා සුදු පාරකට වගේ නින්දා එයා මොකද යන්නේ එයා දිගටම යන්නේ මේ white diagonals වල විතරයි නේද white diagonals වල විතරක් යන හින්දා he cannot ever attack this dark colors dark square too. If this rook has moved into a light color square, only then the bishop can attack. මෙයා මේ dark square එකකින් light එකකට ගියොත් එතකොට bishop ට පුළුවන් attack කරන්න. But at this moment මේ වෙලාවේ පුළුවන්ද? මේ වෙලාවේ කොහෙත්ම බෑ, right? මේ වෙලාවේ මේ තියෙන position එකේ bishop එකෙන් කොහොමදවත් rook ට attack කරන්න බෑ. හරි. Now let's see. Now then you have to attack the knight, right? You have to attack the knight there. So you have two methods. One that you can try to bring the knight, bishop to g5 square and attack from the red side. I'm marking this from the red side. And one way that you can attack from the yellow side. Red and yellow. You have two ways to attack the bishop. One way is red, one way is yellow. So you can type your answers. Which way is better? Red, the yellow, the or both. Or you can type both. If you think both are same, you can type as both. I'm getting the answers. And yes, both. Right. I'm getting all the answers. Let's see. Most of the answers are saying red. Some say both. A very few say yellow. Yes, I'm actually getting the clarifications as well. Okay. So stop sending answers. I will just, like I told, I will actually do this for you, right? This one I will actually do it for you. Now let's say about if you move the bishop to g4. Now this is an attack, right? Now knight isn't in the bishop's movement right now. Then bishop movement again. When bishop is moving somewhere that it can take the knight into its movement, right? Bishop now moves into g4 so that it can now take the bishop, knight into its movement. So the g4, right? So the correct answer, that means bishop to g4 is correct. And the other square, what is the other square? Let's see what is the other square. If you even go here, the square is this time it also attacks the knight, bishop to c4. But there's a little problem. There's a little problem. Why? Because this c4 square is in the whose movement? It's in the rook's move. As the c4 square is in the rook's movement, so then the rook will come and take the bishop first. Then g4 is correct because there's no one to attack the bishop. However, bishop but if you go to c4, now there is a rook. So this will come and take the bishop. So this is the first lesson of chess. Just to practice a little analyzing. It's a new word, analyze. Let's say analyze in simple word, right? In the simplest word, we can say analyzing, which means thinking ahead. Right? If you want to play chess, you have to analyze. How do you analyze? How do you analyze? Okay, think about the bishop. You are going to move it. How you are going to analyze now? Okay, you have to think. I want to attack the knight. That is your plan, right? This is your plan, right? You want to attack it. You want to attack it. That is the plan. Okay, attacking is the plan. But you can see two sides, 1 and 2. You can say two sides. Okay, you are now before you play this, you are thinking. Okay, what if I move to number 1? Okay, I can attack the knight. I see another way. Oh, then you see okay. If I go to here, there's a rook to capture me. Because when you're identifying the threats, when you start playing chess, right? අපි මුල් කාලේ පටන් ගත්තාම අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් මේව බලන්න ටිකක් අමාරුයි. හැබැයි ටිකක් දවස් ගියාම මේව නිකම්ම පේනවා, right? After practicing chess for few days, you will see these moves like nothing, right? You will see these moves in a flash. But in the first few days, sometimes this might take little time for you to see whether can I go here, can I move here. ළමයි කල්පනා කරනවා මේක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද they are thinking, right? So but after some time, after few days practice with the games, so they will get really good, right? Now I'm going to go to a little question. I will unmute you and give you the next question, but only one can answer that. I will announce the names. One name කියන එක නා විතරක් කියන්න. අනිත් අය කියන්නේ. අනිත් අයට පුළුවන් chat එකට දාන්න answer. You all can put the answer to the chat. We'll give this one to, okay. Look at this position, look at this puzzle. This one, the white knight is in E4. It's in E4. You know how the answer. Okay, Asini, I'll give it to you. Wait a second. Now you have two bishops to attack, right? This knight has to attack one of these bishops, right? Now my question is, who's going to answer me? What how the can? That mean I think bishop brother attack kara noni. We'll give it to Tenul, can you tell us the answer? Can you give it a try? Come on, children, you can actually give a try. You can tell whatever your answer is. Comment හිතන එකක් කියන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? When I give you the chance, you can tell me the answer. Doesn't matter even it goes wrong. එකක් වුණත් කමක් නැහැ. හරිද? වැරදුනත් කමක් නැහැ. Okay.
Excuse sir,
Tenul,
is it teacher?
I want to do an attack from this knight to one of these bishops. Can you try to give an idea to us?
One way, sir.
There is a one way.
I know.
Yeah, I'm getting some answers.
Sir, I
You
am
can-
Yasiru. I know.
Yasiru, put it in the chat first. If Tenul couldn't answer, I'll give it to Yasiru. Then Tenul to Berno Tapidamu. Tenul is from Ambalangoda, right? No. Tenul, what's your branch?
Candy.
Candy. Okay. And there's another candy girl I can see. Tharumalshi. Tharumalshi, can you also help this Malli? Malli, I don't know, friend of Malli. Can you give an answer to us? How can you
What,
attack
sir?
one of these? Yes, you have to give an attack to this one of these bishops. බලන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. Okay, let's say I'm going to right. I will show you two ways, right? මෙයාට පුළුවන් whether I can move knight to f6. That will attack the bishop. That is one way. Or either I can just move the knight to c5. It will also attack the bishop. So which one is correct, Senhiru? Yellow or the red the correct?
Yellow.
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 Okay, put a raise hand those who say yellow is correct. Yellow or red?
Red. Red. Yellow.
No, red ayat no yellow ayat.
Yellow.
Two.
Red.
Alright, let's see. Now let's see the answer. Okay,
Correct. Yellow, sir.
if you go to yellow square, it will attack the bishop. Oh. Look at this now.
We go to the
If we go to yellow square, you are attacking the bishop, but there's a problem. There is a little problem. There's the other, it's in the other bishop's movement, right? Okay, listen to this first. The yellow square, this yellow square, right, which means we can say the name. This is C5. The yellow box is C5. The red box is F6. But if you bring this knight to C5 right now, it's in the dark bishop's movement. So the bishop will come and capture you. So that is a problem. Yellow getting your to capture him. When you go to F6, this will attack the bishop because it forms an L shape. When L shape L shape L shape if you go here, when you go to, okay, let's say, oh, wrong place. When you go here to C5, it is, there is also an L shape, but the C5 square is in the bishop's move. Right? In the bishop's move, yeah, bishop ki power in. See, let's erase this. See, because the L shape is there, but there's one bishop to protect me. You know, there's one bishop attacking this square. Me C4 box එක අල්ලගෙන ඉන්න එක්කෙනෙක්. He will come and capture you and save his friend and save the friend, right? So before you do an attack, now this is the first lesson we need to do. When you do an attack, you have to be careful, right? You have to think where to find the correct place. We'll go to the next one. We'll give it to Yenuli. I think Yenuli is from Gaul, right? Yenuli, I think she's from Gaul. Yenuli, this is black to play, right? So Yenuli and Dinumi, right? Dinumi from Nigambo. She can also join the question. Hari, Mammai, Samahare Alu, but I won't be able to question everyone. How can you do an attack to the white bishop with this rook? Rooking attack at the Tenul, can you find out? If someone know the answer, put a raise hand so that I can ask. Already answer ke danna raise hand ekak දාන්න. Got many who know the answer ගොඩක් අය ඉන්නවා. I want to give an attack to one of the white spaces from the rook. Let's say Sendi. Sendi akkada malli nangida. We'll take the answer from Nangi. Akka Nangita denna.
I'm Sendi.
Okay, Sendi. How do you view an attack? Where do you have to move this?
We had to go to C5 square and
attack the rook. So that is a fine move. It attacks the rook, but there's a little problem. They are having the same kind of move. Then what will happen if you go to C5 before you capture the white rook? Now whose chance after you move this?
Then the white
Yes,
rook can get the black
yes, the white rook will capture you first. Okay. This now, but this is a good idea. Yes. Teneli. Yes, queen to E5. That's sorry, rook to E5.
E5 and cut.
Very good. E5 is correct. Because now if you move to C5, because the C2 rook is also getting attacked, මෙයාට attack වෙනවා. ඒක හරි. හැබැයි ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ it's, you know, the rook also has the same kind of move. So it will come and recapture you. මෙහෙම යනවා නම් අපිට පස්සේ අපි බලමු. If you අපි මෙහෙම යනවා නම් අපිට protection එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. අපි ඒවා තව පස්සේ බලාගමු. Now in this one you need to have protection. Right. Let's say if you go to E5, that's correct. Okay. Where else you can go?
Sir, when the rook go to E5, we have to stop now, sir. Then the bishop can go now.
Of course, bishop can go away. Right? Bitum is saying now, if you play the rook here, now it's if it is white's chance, will white be staying here? Method වෙලා ඉඳීද?
I'm not making my Matila.
Matila said. Matila is saying that if the bishop is attacked, no one is going to keep it here, right? Now, බේරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණොත් යව බේරගන්නේ නේද කියලා මිතිල අහනවා. It's a good question. Now that's true. මේක අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් නේද? And Mindy, okay, let's say Mindy, can't I move here to E1 and attack the view? Is it correct or wrong? Mindy is also from Kandy, I think, right? Mindy මේක හරිද වැරදිද? Can I go here and attack the rook? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Sara, what do you think? Is it correct? Make harida. Sara, is this correct? Is this attack correct? Correct.
Yes,
All right. Oh, this is very easy. It's correct. Right. I'm going to give you another one. Okay. Let's say I'm going to show you some answers. You have to tell me whether this is correct or wrong. The Hamsa.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You have to find an attack from this black queen to one of these pieces. May they not attack Karanoni again the black queen game. But of course, we can understand this. as the queens are having the same move, right? The queens are having the same move. Can you actually go somewhere like this? Right. G5 square. Is it a good move or a bad move?
Bad mood.
Bad
Bad
move.
move.
It's a bad move because I will get my queen
So
captured.
the white queen
The
will
bad move.
capture. The
So
black.
I will get my queen captured.
So she.
Okay.
No.
Can I just
the
go?
black.
Okay.
So the white queen will.
Can I go here? Is this
Because
correct?
the white king can cut the
Is this okay? Is this good?
correct.
Vihali. Okay. Wait. We'll give it to Vihali. Children.
Is good.
Vihali. Can you? Hari. In. Hari. Product in. Vihali. Vihali පුළුවන් ද අපිට ආන්සර් එකක් දෙන්න try කරන්න. මේක හොඳයිද නරකයිද? Vihali Anuradhapura branch again නේද? Vihali, is this good? You know, if I bring this queen here and attack the piece, is good or bad? හොඳයිද නරකයි?
11.
Good. You mean this is good? මේක හොඳයිද නරකයිද? This is good. This is good. Right? This is good one.
Good.
This is a good one, right? So I will reverse it. පොඩ්ඩක් මෙයාව පස්සට ගන්න. Wait a second. We'll reverse it a little. Okay. What if I just move here, children? If I move to A2,
It is good.
it is good. Right? This is also
It
good.
is good, sir.
Right. If I bring to G2, good or
No,
bad?
sir, it is bad. It is
Bad to come. It's bad. Right?
The white.
Now
queen
you
will
know how to
capture.
find the moves. Yes. Now how do you find it? How do you find those are whether these are good or bad? Hari, then hitamu. Okay, I'm going to play to C5. Is it good or bad?
bad.
You know?
Bad.
Why do you say it's bad?
Because bishop can cut
Because the
Yeah.
bishop can cut directly.
So it's of course it's bad.
The white bishop will capture the cutter.
Now you know how to find out the yes. Now
Yes, sir.
very good. Now we know how to find out the good attacks and bad attack. Okay, final one. Can I go here? Is it good or bad?
Good.
Iron,
Good.
what's going on there?
Because this queen can
Yes,
cut
this is
the
good.
bishop. She can
Queen
cut
is
the-
attacking.
cut the
Okay.
white bishop.
Yes, it's an attempt to cut the bishop. Right. Now let's see what is a check, which is kind of very close, right? Make again with my check again. Right? Right. Check is something really similar with this, but this time who's attacked? Now this time who's been attacked? It's the king, right? Let's see. We close it. In this case, take a king. Right, look at this picture in the new one. In this new one, it's white to play. Let's say it's white to play. There's a rook on h1. I'm just going to show you what is a check briefly, right? Later we will see what is how to do this. Right, there's a rook on h1, and I'm going to bring it to e1. Now the king is in the rook's movement, right? If someone is in our movement, it is attack, right? So then the king is attacked then. King is attacked. If someone is attacked, we can capture them, right? Attack capture. But in this case, though the king is attacked, we cannot capture. We still say it's a check. This is a check. If you attack the king, if you attack the opponent's king, then what do you say? It's a check. When the king is under threat of capture. Threat threat means threatening. Sometimes even the parents are threatening us. It's threatening, right? Not in Sussex though. In future, this will also happen here, right? So it's a threat of capture. If you are attacking the king, right? If you are attacking the opponent's king, if you are attacking the king, it's a check. If you attack a piece, you also say check? No, it's just an attack, right? අපි කාට හරි ඉත්තට ප්‍රහාරයක් දුන්නොත් ඒකට check කියලා කියන්නේ නෑ. හැබැයි රජුට ප්‍රහාරයක් දෙනවනම් ඒකට විශේෂ වචනයක් තියෙනවා මොකක්ද? Check, right? When the king is in a check, you have to save it, right? You know, if the opponent's king is in a check, you have to save it. Even if he didn't save it, දැන් අපි හිතමු කවුරුල්ලා මේක save කරේ නෑ කියලා. You can't go and capture that. Remember, even if the king is not saved, you are not going to capture that. You can complain the arbiter. We say it's an illegal move without stopping the check, and then the opponent might move something else. We will study about the checks later. Alright, I just want to show you it's an attack to the king, right? Let's say there are some things about the check, right? Check එක ගැන පොඩි දේවල් ටිකක් තියෙනවා කියන්නේ. Number one, when the king is in a check, you can't do anything else without stopping that. So there are few ways to stop this, right? There are some ways to stop a check, right? අපිට පුළුවන් check එක නවත්තන්න දේවල් කීපයක් කරන්න. මේ මොනවා හරි විදියකින් check එක නවත්තනකම් වෙන කිසිම මොකක් කරන්න බෑ, right? And any of the pieces cannot move away opening an attack to the king, right? කාටවත් බෑ king ට attack එකක් open වෙන්න විදිහට අදින්න. ඒ කියන්නේ කොහොමද? If you know, when you move off somewhere, if it opens a check, you can't go from there. And the final thing, king cannot go to a check, right? Himself. King ට තමන්ම ගිහිලා check එකට යන්නත් බෑ. නේ? king check එකට open වෙන විදිහට වෙන මොකක් කරන්නත් බෑ. king check එකක් වෙලා තියෙද්දි ආව බේර ගන්න නැතුව ඉන්නත් බෑ. දැන් අපි බලමු කොහොමද බේරගන්නේ. හරි? දැන් අපි බලමු කොහොමද එහෙනම් බේරගන්නේ. There are three methods, right? There are three methods that you can save the king, right? Number one, you can capture the piece who is giving the check. You can capture this. Check එක දෙන කෙනාව capture කරන්න. You can capture the attacker. If you capture the attacker, the check is gone. This way is cut. තව එකක් පුළුවන්. You can cover the check. Then the movement is closed. Block කරන්න පුළුවන්. We say cover. ඉතින් කියමු cover. Finally, king can make a move, right? King can also make a move once the okay. I'm giving the check with the rook. So king can make a move like this. King can move somewhere. King can actually move somewhere. So we have three options to stop the check, right? Cut, cover, move. Cut, cover and move. හරි? දැන් අපිට check එකක් බේර ගන්න තියෙනවා ක්‍රම තුනක්. එකක් තමයි check දෙන කෙනාව කැපීම. දෙක check එකගෙන පාර වැසීම. තුන්වෙනි එක තමයි check එක තියෙන තැනින් check නැති තැනකට ඇදීම. කැපීම, වැසීම, ඇදීම. Cut, cover, move. Cut, which means you have to capture the attacker. Cover, you can actually cover the movement of the attack. And finally, the make a move, you can actually make a move with the king to a safe square, right? You know, if there are safe squares nearby, you can just move into somewhere. So there are three methods that you can stop a check. Let's see. Okay. Now, can someone tell me, okay, Dinumi, can someone tell me what is a check? පාටට පුළුවන්ද මට check එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා කියන්න?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, I don't remember your name. Badulla, what's your name? Tevindu. Yes, Tevindu.
A check means when the king is gonna when another piece tries to out the end the game, so then it's a check. So then that means that a piece is trying to cut the king, but
Very
there
good.
is a warning of
There is a kind of a warning, right? There are very good answer. That Tevindu was saying some
Thank you, sir.
important. Yes, very good. Now he was actually saying some important words. Check is kind of a warning. Check is kind of a warning. Then check එකක් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? It's a kind of a warning. It's a kind of a warning. You are not going to do that. You are not going to capture, but you are putting an alert. Okay, you know, it's a check. Save the king. You know, cutting can, but whenever you have given a check, that passes the message of threat. So that is the message. Now, when the king is attacked, we say it's a check. And if you could not save the king, we say it's a checkmate. We will see what is a checkmate next week, right? we will see about the checkmate.
Threat and warning.
Yes, it's kind of a threat and warning. And if you could not save the king, it is a checkmate, and let's see it in the other week.
The
right?
game is over.
Yes, it's the game finishes, and let's see the checkmate in the next week so that we can play after next week. So we'll be creating this WhatsApp group. Don't worry, I'm going to put you a link to the Zoom chat so that you can join the group. So
Excuse me, sir.
let's do it in the next week. Yes, Hiron.
I cannot turn the video.
No, oh, I have put that off because you were tonguing. Okay, I'll see you in the next week, right? Good night. Have a nice week.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir, for teaching us.
Good night, sir.
Goodbye,
sir.